Hey guys, it's FG. Did you know that nearly 1 in 3 adults in the US have high cholesterol? That's a staggering number, and it's a major risk factor for heart disease. What's even crazier is that many people don't even know their cholesterol levels. So, before we dive in, I have a question for you. When was the last time you got your cholesterol checked? Knowing your numbers is the first step to taking control of your heart health. In this video, we're going to expose 11 common foods that could be secretly sabotaging your health and spiking your cholesterol levels. We'll break down why they're harmful and, most importantly, what you can eat instead to protect your heart. Let's get started. We're kicking things off with a big one. Red meat. It's crucial to understand the impact it can have on your cholesterol. Red meat, especially fatty cuts, is loaded with saturated fat. Saturated fat clogs your arteries, making it harder for your heart. This can lead to cholesterol buildup, increasing heart disease risk. But don't worry, there are delicious and healthy alternatives. Try leaner meats like chicken or turkey, or plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, or tofu. Trust me, your heart will thank you. Let's talk about dairy. While dairy products can be a good source of calcium, full-fat versions like whole milk, butter, and cheese can be loaded with saturated fat. Remember that gunk we talked about earlier? Yeah, full-fat dairy can contribute to that buildup in your arteries. But don't worry, you don't have to give up your morning latte or your favorite cheese pizza. The key here is moderation and making smarter choices. Opt for low-fat or fat-free dairy products whenever possible. They offer the same creamy goodness without the excess saturated fat. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, explore the world of plant-based milk alternatives like almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk. They're delicious, nutritious, and much kinder to your heart. Okay, let's be honest, who doesn't love a plate of crispy fries or a juicy fried chicken sandwich? But here's the hard truth. Those golden brown delights are often swimming in unhealthy oils that are terrible for your cholesterol. We're talking about trans fats, the worst kind of fat you can consume. Trans fats not only raise your bad cholesterol levels, but also lower your good cholesterol levels, a double whammy for your heart. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up fried foods entirely, but it's all about making healthier choices. Instead of deep frying, try baking, grilling, or air frying your favorite foods. These methods create that satisfying crunch without all the unhealthy fat. Your heart and your taste buds will thank you. Let's talk about those tempting baked goods. Donuts, pastries, cookies. They're often loaded with sugar, trans fats, and refined carbohydrates, a recipe for disaster for your cholesterol levels. These sugary treats can send your blood sugar soaring, leading to inflammation and increasing your risk of heart disease. But don't worry, you can still satisfy your sweet tooth without sabotaging your health. When it comes to baked goods, moderation is key. Instead of reaching for that store-bought donut, try whipping up a batch of homemade muffins using whole grain flour, less sugar, and heart-healthy oils. And remember, fruit is nature's candy. Opt for a piece of fruit or a handful of berries when you're craving something sweet. Your heart will thank you. Let's talk about processed meats, sausages, hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats. They might be convenient, but they're often packed with saturated fat, sodium, and unhealthy additives. These processed meats have been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, stroke, and even certain types of cancer. So, it's best to limit your intake or avoid them altogether. Instead of reaching for that processed ham sandwich, try opting for fresh, unprocessed meats like chicken breast, turkey breast, or lean cuts of beef. And if you're looking for a plant-based alternative, there are some great options available, like veggie burgers or plant-based sausages. Your heart will thank you for making the switch. Let's talk about shellfish, shrimp, lobster, crab. They're delicious and can be part of a healthy diet, but they're also high in cholesterol. Now, before you swear off seafood entirely, it's important to note that shellfish are low in saturated fat and rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are actually beneficial for your heart. The key here is moderation. Enjoy shellfish in moderation and pair them with heart-healthy foods like vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. And remember, Variety is key to a balanced diet. So don't be afraid to explore other types of seafood that are lower in cholesterol, like salmon, tuna, or mackerel. Fast food. The cholesterol drive-through. Let's be honest, we've all been there. Late night cravings, busy schedules, and the convenience of fast food is just too tempting. But those quick and easy meals can take a serious toll on your cholesterol levels. Fast food is often loaded with saturated and trans fats, sodium, and calories, all of which contribute to high cholesterol and an increased risk of heart disease. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up fast food entirely, but it's all about making smarter choices. Opt for grilled options instead of fried, choose salads with grilled chicken or fish, and skip the sugary drinks. And remember, cooking at home is always the healthiest option. It gives you complete control over the ingredients and portion sizes. Butter, the creamy cholesterol culprit. Let's talk about butter, that creamy, delicious spread that makes everything taste better. But behind that rich flavor lies a high concentration of saturated fat. We've talked about the dangers of saturated fat and its impact on your cholesterol levels. So, it's best to limit your butter intake or find healthier alternatives. Instead of slathering your toast with butter, try using olive oil, avocado oil, or even nut butter. These options are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can actually help lower your cholesterol levels. And remember, a little goes a long way. You don't need a lot of butter to add flavor to your food. Cheese, a cheesy cholesterol dilemma. Let's talk about cheese. That gooey, delicious ingredient that makes everything from pizza to pasta irresistible. But behind that cheesy goodness can lie a high amount of saturated fat and sodium. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up cheese entirely, but it's all about moderation and making smarter choices. Opt for lower fat cheese varieties or try plant-based cheese alternatives. And remember, a little cheese goes a long way. Use it as a flavor enhancer rather than the main attraction. Egg yolks, the cholesterol surprise. Let's talk about eggs. They're a great source of protein and nutrients, but the yolks are high in cholesterol. Now, before you swear off eggs entirely, it's important to note that dietary cholesterol doesn't necessarily translate to high blood cholesterol for everyone. However, if you're watching your cholesterol levels, it's best to enjoy eggs in moderation. Try using egg whites or egg substitutes in your cooking and baking. And remember, you can still enjoy whole eggs occasionally. Just be mindful of your overall cholesterol intake. Coconut oil. The cholesterol hype exposed. Let's talk about coconut oil. It's been touted as a health food in recent years, but the truth is, it's high in saturated fat. While coconut oil does contain medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are metabolized differently than long-chain fatty acids, it's still important to use it sparingly. Instead of using coconut oil as your primary cooking oil, try opting for olive oil, avocado oil, or canola oil. These oils are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. And remember, moderation is key. You can still enjoy coconut oil in moderation, just don't go overboard. Take control of your cholesterol. These foods could be secretly sabotaging your cholesterol levels. By being mindful of what you eat, you can take control of your heart health. It's about making smarter choices that nourish your body and protect your heart. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life.